Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Open the dataset copy and verify its size, row counts, and last backup. Do this to avoid working on live data. Once done, isolate the environment so you can test changes without impacting users, and record schema, constraints, and indexes because you will need to restore structure if something breaks. Make sure to capture recent change scripts and a checksum. This explains why restores are reliable and gives you a rollback point. You now diagnose the root cause. Run targeted queries to detect corrupt records, nulls, type mismatches, or duplicate keys because fixing symptoms wastes time. Then apply deterministic transformations, clean, cast, and normalize using transactions and small batches, for example 1,000 rows per commit to limit blast radius. Once a batch completes, validate with checksums, row counts, and sampled business rules. This ensures your fixes preserve intent and explains why incremental validation. You finish by staging the corrected dataset and merging changes with a controlled deployment, using feature flags or a phased rollout to limit exposure. Then run end-to-end tests, reconcile key aggregates, and monitor metrics and logs for 24 to 72 hours to confirm stability, because issues sometimes appear later. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to the snapshot you made, document the root cause and steps taken, and automate the successful fix so the problem cannot recur.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.